Hey guys, and welcome back to channel C4 in Haggis. Today I'm going to walk you through how to make your own YouTube in under 10 minutes, and I mean under 10 minutes. So at the minute I'm signed into one of my test accounts and I'm going to make a new account for the purpose of this video. And first of all I'm going to sign out and I'm going to pull away a couple of screens for a second while I sign back in to hide my emails. And basically what we're going to do is you create a new account and you pick a name and password that's suitable for yourself. MakeTube. We'll call this MakeTube. And just a random email address. Again, I'm going to delete this email address. Please don't do nothing with it. It won't work if you try and do anything with it. Create a password. Again, I have done this incorrect on this part here, so it is literally very limited on the editing on this video to show you how quick and easy it is. Your passwords must match. And then you enter a valid phone number. Now I've pulled away the screen. You will receive a text to verify. This may take a couple of minutes to come through to your phone. Once you do, you'll get a little code that will take you through to your verification. You'll enter your number again and then you will punch your text that you got given into there. You don't need to put the letters at the start, just the numbers that it gave you in the verification, and then it will ask you to there's our code there, and then we'll enter our phone number again and then we'll pop our code back in. Apologies for the wavy videos, I'm still new to this video editing, so I popped my mining window on terminal in the background and then I decided to enter a censored sign on the video itself. Snip to the part where you're able to see the code that's from the same text there. As I'm doing this live, I am using my actual phone number. There we are, the same code that I had in the text from the previous screen. And then it'll ask you, yes, I'm in. So in we go. I'm just going to skip this as I've already done it and it is a test account. Click Express in personalization and hit confirm, and we are done making a YouTube account. And agree. Here we are, we now have a YouTube account. So let's go into search. We'll just search for my channel, which is C4 in Haggis. Click on there. Now please, if you can, give a little subscribe on the right hand side, the little red button. You don't need to have notifications on for the subscriptions, just a subscribe is a thank you enough for me making these videos. So just hit none if you don't want to have any notifications, or all if you want to have all of my videos on notifications. The same for any channel you follow. And now you're wondering, where do I install my videos from and how do I upload them? So you will need a video editing tool. Apologies for some mining in the background there, this is completely live. And so the video editing software I'm going to show you is VN Media. I believe it's what it's called. If it's wrong, I apologise, but VN there, you'll see the little symbol coming through. Now I was using iMovie, but it wasn't up to standard for me, so in VN is much more easy to use in my opinion. Again, use what you like as long as it works and you can upload the video to YouTube. And again, the reason why I use this one is you get a lot of added sound clips and pictures and bubbles pre-assembled and sound effects that you can use for your videos in any way that you want. And then I'll show a little video at the end of this video of me editing this current Make a YouTube video in under 10 minutes. And so now I'm going to delete this account after creating a channel. Even though I have subscribed to my channel, once I delete the account I will lose them subscriptions. So I'm not doing this purely for subscriptions. As you can see, this new account has 0 subscriptions. You won't get monetized at first, so you would have to have 1,000 subscribers and up to 4,000 videos, watch hours on your videos and 2-step verification. Now it's very easy to do, self-explanatory. Click on the turn on now and it will follow you through how to do so. And all that's left now for me to do is to delete the new account. Now I am using the YouTube app. You can get that free from the App Store, or you can use any browser that you're signed in for YouTube as long as it's supported. And again, I'm going to apologise for the continued man flu that I have at the minute. It's not COVID, just man flu. And if you're unsure how to delete it, just click delete account. Pop in your password for your MakeTube account. It will then warn me to tell me that I'm going to lose the subscribers that I followed already. But yes, I want to delete, and yes, I want to permanently delete the Google account as I'm not going to use it. And then that's it, it is deleted. In about 24 hours I will lose that subscription of the C4 and Haggis page. Apart from that, if you want to, again, I'm not monetized, so I'm making some side quests in the background by mining on CPUs and on Honeygain from surplus Wi-Fi. Now there's another couple of apps that I'm going to share with you guys in another video coming up, and I've got a video of a PlayStation 4 that belongs to my wife that started to overheat, and I'm going to strip it apart, replace the compound on the CPU, and hope that that solves it. Apart from that, I will stop talking again now, guys, but thanks again for watching. If you did like this video, please like and subscribe. If you want to tell me what content you guys want, put me a message in the contents below or send a little email in the about section. And yeah, please hit that subscribe button. You don't need to have notifications on. But thanks again for watching, and happy YouTubing.